Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to study the green plants. Now, we all need food to grow and survive. Where does we get this food from? We all know that we get the food from plants. The main source of the food is plants. And plants store its food in different parts of it. Like we get some food from the root, that is carrot we have. Others we get from leaf like spinach, coriander. We also get food from the seeds like wheat, rice. We also get food from the flour like cauliflower and all. So we get the food from the plants. Now, how do the plants make food and how do they grow? We are going to learn that today. The green plants. This is our topic, name of the lesson, under which we are going to study about leaf. And in leaf, what is the structure of leaf? Now here in the image, you can see a beautiful leaf. Beside it, I have a leaf image where the names of the parts of the leaf are labeled. Now look at this leaf. Can you see the edges? The edges of the leaves are like this. So these edges are known as blade, leaf blade. This is called leaf blade. Now in the middle we have this vein. This is called midrib. How we have a rib, in the same way this supports the leaf. This is called midrib. It provides all the nutrients to the whole leaf. Then we have these small lateral veins. These are lateral veins. Again we have some more small veins. So the nutrients and the water is given to the whole leaf. The leaf has a flat part. This flat part, this whole part, it is known as leaf blade. A leaf blade can be narrow or broad. Like we can see here, we have different types of leaf. So the leaf blade can be narrow or narrow in this needle like. We have narrow leaves here also, and it can be broad like this. So we have different kinds of leaf blade that can be narrow or broad. Now this helps in capturing the sunlight. This whole leaf part helps in capturing the sunlight. As we know that sunlight is very important for the plant. So if the leaf blade is broad, it will absorb more and more sunlight. If it is narrow, then it will absorb less sunlight. Now coming on to this part, here we see bud and stipule. Bud and stipule. Can you see in this picture also we have a bud? The bud is not your flower bud. It is a new leaf which is starting to grow. Here we have stipules. These look like leaves but they are not leaves. Then we have this petiole. This part only from here to here, this part is called as petiole because it is connected to the stem. This leaf have two sides. One is above and the back side. Now the upper side is smooth and the down side is usually rough and light in color, little lighter in color than the upper side. Then we have leaf tip. Can you see? This is called the leaf apex also. The tip of the leaf is also known as leaf apex also. Here we can see it is here. Then we come to stomata. Now stomata is very important for leaf as it helps in preparation of the food in the leaf, that is photosynthesis. We can't see stomata with our naked eye. We need microscope to see it, but it is always present in the leaf. Now let's revise the parts of the leaf. We have leaf blade, that is the outer margin of the leaf, which is called leaf blade. Then we have tip of the leaf, which is known as leaf apex. Then we have midrib, which gives water and mineral to the all parts of the leaf. Then we have these lateral veins also present in it. again to transport water, mineral and food. Then we have this petiole which connects the leaf to the stem. We have stipule which looks like leaves. Then we have bud which is again a new leaf. We have seen that the plant is green. The plant is green because of the presence of chlorophyll in it. Now what is chlorophyll? It is a pigment which is green in color and that helps in cooking the food for the plant. How does plant cook food? Plant cook food in the presence of carbon dioxide, that is a gas, we can say air. Energy is produced, but for that it needs energy again from the sun. Then it releases oxygen. Water and minerals are taken from the soil. Leaves are also known as kitchen or food factory of the plant. Now why are they called so? We all know that the food is prepared in the leaf. So wherever we make food, like in our house also, we cook food in the kitchen. So that is why for plants, leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because food is cooked there. And the chlorophyll in the leaves helps in absorption of sunlight to prepare the food. Now let's see how photosynthesis takes place. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which food is prepared in the leaf in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Let's see how photosynthesis takes place. For photosynthesis, the most important thing is sunlight. Sunlight is required as it is main source of the energy for the plant. Then we have carbon dioxide which is mixed in the air. So plants take the carbon dioxide which is present in the air for the photosynthesis. Then the plants need water. Now the minerals are dissolved in the water. Then this green color pigment which is known as chlorophyll, which is very important for the plant to make food, and the green color pigment is known as chlorophyll. It is green in color and it is present in the plants. So we know that the plants take water and minerals from the soil and send it through the veins to the leaves. In the leaves we know we have chlorophyll. Then we have stomata which helps in absorption of the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Then we have water already is there, minerals are already taken. These are called raw sap. What do you mean by raw sap? Raw sap means raw material. Just before you cook your vegetable, the materials are raw. We call them raw vegetables, correct? In the same way, these are raw materials which are used in making the food for the plant. Now chlorophyll plays an important role in this. Chlorophyll helps in the preparation of the food. Now after that, when the food is prepared, it is again sent back to all the parts of the plant in where the food is stored in the form of different energy. The energy produced by the leaf is sent to different parts of the plant in the form of nutrition. Now this nutrition can be in the form of juice or in the fruit form. Now we saw that the leaves prepare food for the plants. So now let's read this. Plants prepare their food in the form of simple sugar or glucose. They use glucose for their growth and development. As we all know, we also need nutrients to grow. In the same way, the plants also need nutrients to grow. So they also grow. The extra food gets stored as starch in the leaves. We all eat different kinds of leaves of the plant. Stems, we also eat stems like potato and a sweet potato. We also eat roots like carrot, radish, and we also eat different fruits and grains, etc. We eat these parts of the plant in which food is stored. So till now we have learnt what is photosynthesis, what is chlorophyll, leaf blade, leaf apex and midrib. The process in which green plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is known as photosynthesis. Then for chlorophyll, we know it is a green pigment that is present in green leaves and stem of the plant. Leaf blade, we know flat part, the whole part of the leaf. Leaf apex, tip of the leaf. Midrib is the main vein that runs through the center of the leaf.